Good day, great minds, and welcome to today's marathon class. So we have a question on the board, which is a WAEC question on logarithm. So let's look at it. Now the question says, evaluate log to the base 5 of 3 over 5 plus 3 log to the base 5 of 15 over 2 minus log to the base 5 of 81 over 8. Log to the base 5 of 3 over 5 plus 3 log to the base 5 of 15 over 2 minus log to the base 5 of 81 over 8. Now, the first thing we do here is to move this up, which is log to the base 5 of 3 over 5 plus log to the base 5 of 15 over 2, all to the power of 3. Then minus log to the base 5 of 81 over 8. Now let's simplify this. This is log to the base 5 of 3 over 5 plus log to the base 5 of 15 times 15 times 15 is 3,375. Are we correct? 15 times 16 is 225. 225 times 15, 5 and 5 is 25. 5 and 2, 10, that's 12. 5 and 2, 10 plus 1, 11. 1, 5, 2, 2, 5, 7, 3, 3. Yeah, we are correct. So this is 3,305 over 8 minus log to the base 5 of 81 over 8. Now, there is a law of one of the rules of logarithm that says the single logarithm of a product is equal to the addition of their separate logarithms. And another one also says that the single logarithm of a fraction is equal to the difference of the separate logarithm. Now, if you simplify this one first, you know this one follows the first rule. Now, what we got from here, what will we get from here minus this one? Another rule will apply. So we want to join them together. This is log to the base 5 of, for the numerator, we have 3 over 5 multiplied by 3,375 over 8 all over 81 over 8. Right? Now, if we try to cancel out, we have log to the base 5 of, I think 5 we cancel, 5 cancel 335, we get 5 cancel this one, you have 675, because 5 and 33, we get 6, remainder 3. 5 and 37, we get 7, remainder 2. And 5 and 25, we get 5. So it's 667. Nothing else we can see. We have 3 multiplied by 675 over 8 all over 81 over 8, right? And this is the same thing as log to the base 5 of 3 times 675 over 8. Of course, this is like this. Then multiply by, okay, let's put the division first because I know you'll be a bit confused. Divided by 81 over 8. This and this, they're the same thing, right? And that is log to the base 5 of 3 multiplied by 675 over 8 multiplied by 8 over 81. Remember when we did fraction, I said, okay, I remember even if we have not done, we did not do fraction. I remember there was a time I said, if 2 fractions are dividing each other, the easiest way to do it is just to change that division sign and then invert the other number. And that is what we did here. This is 81 over 8. When we change it to multiplication sign, we now have 8 over 81. And if you notice here, something can cancel. 8 cancels 8. And 3 can divide 81. 3 in 81 will give us 27. 27. Give us 27. And then 27 can divide this thing. You also know 25 and 25 is 625. Approximately 27 can go. Okay, let's just multiply so that we'll be sure. 25 times 27. 7 times 5 is 35. Write 5. Now 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. Write the 17. Now 2 times 5 is 10. Write 0. Good one. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 5. And this is 5, 7, 6. You see, that means when 27 cancels this one, we have 25. So the whole of this now is equal to log to the base 5 of 25, which is not the final answer. This is the same thing as log to the base 5 of 5 raised to power 2, because 5 times 5 is 25. Now from here, we've already finished the whole thing, but I want to show you 2 ways you can solve something like this. The first one is just by using power rule. Power rule in the sense that this will be equal to 2 log to the base 5 of 5. And of course, you know, log of a number to the same base is just 1. So that is equal to 2 times 1, and that is equal to 2. This is the first method. Or the second method that says the logarithm of a number can be easily handled if the number and the base are expressed as powers and the fraction of the powers taken when the base is counterbalanced. What do I mean? From here now, we might express this as log to the base 5 to the base of 5 raised to power 1 of 5 raised to power 2. Of course, 5 raised to power 1 is still the same 5. Now, notice that the bases are the same. So they said you take the fraction of the powers The fraction of the powers now is 2 over 1. When the base is counterbalanced, 2 over 1, and 2 over 1 is 2. It's another. So either of these, once you get to this point, either of these, you can use it to get the final answer. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching.